Hello, Mr. Capel. My name is Calvin Osei. I made a short video to elaborate a little bit more about my personal SWOT analysis that I've uploaded with this video. Instead of having you just read what I typed, thought it would be a great idea just to explain a little bit more um, through a video. I'm going to start with my personal SWOT analysis. I basically made a template in Word in which I posted the four aspects of a personal SWOT analysis, that being strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. I'm going to start with my strengths. I'm very motivated and positive about achieving my goals. This is something that I've always been able to do throughout my secondary school and now even in college. I like working with others and learning from others as well. I like engaging with them, talking to them, and learning from what they know or something that I don't know that they can teach me. I am flexible in the sense that I can easily adapt to changes around me. But I also told you this when we had um, the our personal talk. I am very passionate about things that interest me, and I'm also a hard worker in the sense that I want to achieve something. In terms of weaknesses, I need to be more organized with my books and papers. Sometimes I tend to be a little bit sloppy when I'm dealing with papers. I can still improve on my time management skills. Um, sometimes I can the sometimes I wrongly estimate the time that I will arrive in class, so that's why I can be late sometimes, but I'm working on it. Sometimes I can also be a bit stubborn, but it is a weakness, but also a strength. It means that that I'm very strong-willed in the sense of that when I want something, I stand my ground and I want to achieve um, I want to achieve what I set out for myself. Sometimes I get nervous when I have to take exams, but I think that everyone has that, so those are, yeah, a common thing. Um, Being structured is maybe one of my weaknesses. I tend to sometimes get a little bit sloppy, as I said previously, um, but those are my weaknesses. So when I look at my opportunities, I think working on my time management skills through respecting my deadlines and being on time for class, that if I'm able to do that, that I can improve my time management skills. Working with different types of people during group projects, this will give me the opportunity to meet different cultures and to step out of my zone and to explore more. Looking for a good company for the internship task that we have to do is one of the things that I see as an opportunity, because if I can find something that interests me, I can grow from it and I can learn from it. Being more structured while taking notes in class, maybe working with markers and staying focused, less talking to friends, and you're just paying attention to what the lecturer is saying. Doing revisions in the weekends for the courses that I didn't quite understand. Yeah, this can help me through the exams that so that I can be less nervous because I've rehearsed and I know what I have to do. Um, okay, so in terms of possible threats, I only had two, and that is that getting distracted will make it hard for me to complete my assignments and submit them on time. So that's a possible threat. Nervousness for exams can result in a blackout while taking my exams. For example, that forget the important parts while taking my exam. But I hope that this is not the case, but it is a possible threat. So this was basically my personal SWOT analysis. Thank you for your attention.